So good morning. My name is K.Karthikeyan, Assistant Professor CSC, SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, course name 19CS 732, Information Retrieval Techniques, final CSC, 7th semester, in text classification and clustering, characteristics of classification and unsupervised learning, unsupervised algorithm, clustering, Naïve text classifications. So we go for a problem statement. This is a problem statement. First one is planning matter, but so does flexibility and trying maintaining an overview of the modeling and workflow. And given an example classification if it is a spam or not. And given a unwritten character classify if it is one of the known characters, and given reason user behavior classify and churn or not. We go for next one. What is text classification? The text classification is based on regularity in large datasets adopted from the Usama Fayad, and where interesting means non-retrieval, hidden, previously unknown, and potential useful data. And finding semantic and abstract information from the surface from the textual data based on your source from the retrieval database. So this is a text meaning. We have abstract concept difficult to represent and countless or combinations subtitle abstract relationship among the concept and many way to represent similar concept. Example, spaceship, flying source, and UFO, and concepts are difficult to visualize and high dimensionality and tens or hundreds of thousands of futures based on these conditions. Next one. This is a text analysis of arena. One is information retrieval based on searching and database already store your data, and machine learning and data analytics. Data analytics based on machine learning algorithm takes me to retrieve the particular data from the data sources. And next, natural languages based on computational linguistic. Suppose I'm speaking in Tamil, I convert to language of Malayalam, Telugu, Kannadiga, Oriya, Odisha, Bengali, Hindi, and Punjabi. So based on these conditions, we can retrieve data to understand our customer easily. And knowledge are represented and reasoning based on tagging. For example, store my data. I have give a tag whenever you want. Whenever I want to the particular data based on tag, I easily retrieve my data from the semantic web. What dimensions are in text analytics? We have represent three type of process. One is representation, technique, and task. And one from the character level to first order theories, second theory techniques from the manual work and over learning to the reasoning. Task from the search over supervised and supervised learning, and visualization and summarization and translations. So visualization based on chart summarization, recap about our detail, what type of process are done and what are the method can be completed. You can tell about that one. Translation, we have using language. I am speaking in Tamil, I have convert my language in Japanese, Hindi, and Oriya, and Bengali. This is a process done in text analysis process. So these are graphical representation, sharing idea, institution method of data, and NLP, and information retrieval, Web 2.0 ML based on these conditions. This is a broader context of web services based on computer science, economic, law, and media, and social culture, artificial intelligence, web engineering, mathematics, psychology, and biology, and sociology and ecology of these conditions. We have three type of processes done in text mining. How do we represent? We have three type. One is lexical, another syntactic, another one is semantic. The lexical you have give a word, you can separate the process. For example, open bracket a plus b, open closing bracket. Suppose which one is a word, which one is operator, which one is a keyword. You can identify and separate work based on lexical oriented. Syntactic based on vector space model and language model and full parsing and cross modality. And collaborative tagging based on web 2.0 based on semantic and template frame and ontology, first order theory in the sectors. So we have characteristic level based on represent text from sequence, represent by frequency distribution, and usually we deal with contingent string starting number 1 to n. So a Word document, we common most use of many techniques based on tokenization, like example operator, which one is operator, which one is a identifier, which one is a operand. You can define easily and convert into syntactic and convert into the semantic process. This is a word level based on four process. One is homony, polysemy, synonym, hypomony. These are process to evaluate your word basic conditions. For example, homony same form and but different meaning, and polysemy same form related meaning, and synonym different form and same meaning, and hypomany one word denoted by subclass to other classes. This is process word level. Part of speech based on introducing tag with enabling different word of functions. So example, mainly using extraction, information extraction based on interest. Example, my name is called as entity. Suppose car is entity. So this is a part of speech in the sector. We have used identify based on tagger by using of HMM algorithm in manually tag with your data. This is a part of speech. This is a part of speech function or job. Example word and example sentence based on verb, noun, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, and conjunction, interjection. Function or job, example word or example sentence based on these conditions. Activity. If any one of you give an example and tell about the condition. Okay, thank you. This is my disadvantages. First one is slow and performance, poor performance with overlap classes. Selecting appropriate hyperparameter important, and selecting the appropriate kernel. This is advantages. Perform well in higher dimension. Best algorithm in class are separable, and outlier have a less impact. And SVM is good for extreme case binary classification. This is my assessment. List out the advantage of text classification. Identify disadvantage of text class. If anyone to tell about advantage, if anyone tell about disadvantages. Yes, thank you. This is my references and